Welcome to RaiGurku.com. In this video, we'll discuss about how to configure custom field in Jira. So if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. And if you're looking forward to learn Jira from scratch, consider watching my complete playlist so that you're able to understand everything in detail. Let's move further with today's agenda, then we'll jump to practical demo. We'll discuss here what is custom field, how to configure custom fields, and limit the number of users for user picker fields with practical demo. So let's move to Jira login credential, where post login you're able to see the screen. If you want to configure custom fields, select Settings tab, select Issues, then navigate to Fields, where you are able to find out field configurations or custom fields. In the configuration sections, you will find it out View Field Configurations. You can also add field configurations, and in custom fields, you're able to see whatever custom fields are available and you can edit it according to your requirement. So let's select this and edit the details. So before proceeding further, let's understand what is custom fields. So, a custom fields is the default set of labels or the keywords which is created for Jira project. It's already created by Jira itself, but you can create your own. If you don't know about how to create it, custom fields, please watch my previous session, or I will include the URL in my description tab. Now let's understand the addition of or editing custom fields details. So for editing, you have to make the changes in this custom fields, like you can update to, add the descriptions, add the text, and you can see here free text search. Click on update and the field is updated for you. You can see here earlier there was no description for this field and now it is updated. Let's make it to reverse. Let's delete this and make this field back to their original positions. Now you can see here screens and contexts are also available, but let's understand these contexts and default values. So these values also configurable, or you can edit default value from this parameter, or you can add it on context fields. You can change the details. This is used for any issue types, but you can change it to some other places or select some other options. Maybe you can set it out to any particular project, but this is globally context and fields are applicable to all of the project, but you can modify it on selecting any of the projects and click on modify. Your fields will be applicable for that project only. Screens and context, you can select it from here and select any of the fields or screens, and you can customize it according to your requirement. Now let's go back to custom field again. Translation option is also there. Let's say if you are working in some German or French based project, and now you can see here the fields are available in English language, so you can also translate the language which is by default language to some other language according to your project requirement. You can also associate to some other screen as well. so you can include some more stains. If you want to remove this and move this field or need to trash, select this options and your fields will be moved to trash. From there you can delete it permanently. Now there are several other options are also there. You can select it. If you want to change the context fields, you can also do that from here. Details, you can check it from here. You can change the added details from, because this is locked, you are not able to perform any actions. Let's select some other fields. You can create, edit or delete context. You can change the screen or remove or add associated screens from here. And in the detail sections, you can edit the options on edit details page. So that's all about configurations of custom fields. Hope you liked it. If you really enjoyed the session, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. Thank you for watching.